everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm very excited to show you this mini brands toy that I found at Costco. So this was $29.99, so $30 for all this for the mini brands fridge along with 3 mini surprises. The mini brands fridge typically is around $20 and each mini is around $7, I would say. So 7 times 3 is 24 plus 20, that's 44. So I only paid 30. That's a difference of $14. So this is a really good deal. I happened to go to Costco today, was trying to buy grocery and was looking for something else and happened to be in the toy aisle and I saw this and I was like, I got to get this. I did see online that a lot of people posted how they found this at Costco, and I went on the Costco app and was looking for this, but they did not sell it. I think it was out of stock online, and I thought they didn't sell it at my area, so I was like, okay, I don't think they will have it, but I found it today, so I was so happy, and I was like, let me get it. And I believe only Costco sell this entire set. I don't think Target or elsewhere they sell the set. They sell the fridge and the mini toys separately. So this is special, and I'm very, very, very excited to unbox this and show you what I got. One, two, three. Let's open up the fridge. So cool. Another layer, huh? Okay. That's too much. We are almost there. We're getting there. Oh, finally. Okay. Let's open the fridge. Wait. Whoa. More things come out, huh? Whoop. Look at this. This is so cool. Oop. Looks just like a real fridge. So cool. And then I think you can, there's lights, right? So you can turn this on. If it turns on the light or no? Wait. Do I have to add battery? I don't know. Let me see. So as you can see, there are different trays you have to put inside this fridge, different layers. And it looks like you have to unscrew the back and put battery in. So battery, I don't know if it's included or not, but when I opened this, it did have lots of packages coming out from this fridge. Okay, I'm just gonna open them and see what's inside. Hold on. Okay, so this must be for the top fridge. Open. Must be here on the top. Put it there, and then I don't know what this is. I think it's here, or maybe not. Hold on. Yeah, I think it's right here. Perfect. Okay, and then we have many shelves here. I guess just adjust it however you like, right? I didn't look at the instruction manual, but I'm just gonna do what makes sense to me. So this, and then I think this is for eggs. Oh, my baby is up. My baby is up. Hold on. Okay, baby is up, but daddy is gonna watch him for a little bit. So I'm gonna continue to unbox this as fast as I can so I can show you guys everything, okay? And next we have, let's see what we have. Oh, is this one of the surprise minis in the fridge? I believe so, right? Hold on, let me see. Oh, what is this? It's the mini brands. What is it? Jelly glue? Jelly glue? What is this? Wait, am I supposed to glue this stuff here? I don't know. I have to take a look and figure out what that is. And then we also have, oh, this is the jelly. Is that what it is? I think so. I don't know. And there's a tongue here. I'm not sure. I need to really read the instruction manual to figure out what these are. Am I supposed to make a jelly? Oh, there's also a plate, and there's a small piece of, I think it's a small piece of orange. Very interesting. I don't know why they have that. Actually, there are two pieces of orange, not one. There are two pieces. I found another piece. Two pieces of oranges. But I don't know what this is for though. I don't know why there are two pieces of oranges or tangerine. Okay, and then let me open another surprise and see what that is. I wonder if they are all the same, like in the fridge, whether these surprises are all the same or different for each fridge. I'm not sure. But as for the surprise mini balls, they should be different, right? Oh, we have what, watermelon. Is this? I think it's a magnet, huh? Look at this. Is this a magnet? It is a magnet. This is so cool. Look at that. And then we have I think it's an ice scoop. And a can of soda. What kind of soda is this? Let me show you. Olipop strawberry vanilla soda. Oh, looks pretty cool. Oh, actually, no. We have 3 pieces of oranges. I found another one here. Okay, so probably there are more. I need to find them more. They may be inside the bags. I don't know. And then now I'm gonna open this yellow bag. I don't know what this is. Maybe battery. Not sure. Oh no, it's not battery. Oh, this is probably a surprise. One of the surprise minis. Maybe every fridge is different. I don't know. You tell me. So if you get one of the fridge, tell me if you have the same surprises as I do. We have another Olipop. These are orange flavor, orange squeezes. That's what it's called. And then we have, what's this? Ooh, a lemonade drink. Grape flavored drink. We have another lemonade drink, but this is what, this melon flavor. This is a melon flavored lemonade. Hershey syrup. Pretty cool, huh? Pizza. Let's see if there's an actual pizza inside. I don't know. We shall see. Open. There is a pizza inside, and then one slice is missing. So somebody took a bite, huh? Somebody took a bite of this pizza. Looks good. Pretty cool. Okay, this is what I have. Okay, so actually, I think for all the fridges, they do include pizza, 2 lemonade drink, 2 Olipop drink syrup, watermelon magnet, ice spoon. Oh, jello, that's jello. Oh, so I think I know what it is. In order to make orange jello, you know what you do? You squirt this, I think you squirt this on this jello cup, jello pudding cup, and then put it here and then cover it. And then let it dry. And then it will become jello. And then you just use this lid, cover it up to keep it fresh. I think that's what it is. But I am not going to use this. I'm gonna maybe play with this another time.